Hi, I'm Ken from Joon.co.ke, and on today's video we'll be continuing with whatever we started 2 days ago, that is the growth strategy for our account. Yesterday we left the account at $1,400 and today we are continuing, and the asset that we'll be looking at today is the USD Indian Rupee OTC pair. So this is one of the most profitable assets that are available in Quotex, and a lot of people trade this asset, giving it a lot of volume, and that means that you can make a lot of money trading these assets. So for the first trade we'll do $1,000. We do $1,000. Okay, so we've just placed our first trade for $1,000, and if that wins we'll make a profit of $930. We have 34 seconds left until the close of this candlestick, so let's wait and see what happens in 27 seconds. For those who don't have an account in Quotex and would like to start trading in Quotex, there is a link on the description of this video. Go ahead and click on it to create your new account. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. That trade has already closed, and it has closed in profit. So let's look at what we've made. We've made $930, and our new account balance is $2,330. Again, we'll continue trading up. I'll do $400 for the next trade. I've just clicked on the up button for $400. So let's give it 1 minute and see what happens to that trade. If you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you tap on that red subscribe button so that when we do more videos such as these ones, you will be among the first people to get notified. A few seconds left. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And that has just closed in a loss. So for the next trade we'll do $930. I want to get to $3,000, then I stop this until tomorrow. So $930 for the next trade. Again, if you've never tried trading on the USD Indian Rupee pair, this is one of the most profitable assets in Quotex. If you look at the rate of return at the moment, it's 93%, which is very high. And again, this is a growth strategy. We want to grow this account very fast, and that is why we are trading on the 1 minute trade duration. Look at the investment amounts. We are trading with as much as possible so that we can grow it very fast and walk out of the market with profits. 24 seconds left until the close of that candle. If this red candle ends up engulfing the green candle, then we can trade down again based on whatever we see on the RSI. If the RSI is also facing downwards, then that would be a signal for us. Otherwise, it seems buyers are pushing prices up further. So I've just placed another up trade. for $930 because it seems prices are going to continue rallying upwards. Should we see a crossover between these two moving averages, the SMA 50 and EMA 21, then that again is a signal that prices will continue to rise, and that means that we should continue trading upwards. So if we win this one, we will make $1729 out of that trade, plus the 1,000 that we already have. That will be $2729 minus $1,400, that will be $1,300 in profits for today. If that is not enough money in a day, then I don't know what is. So we've just made $1,700, so I'll do $794 for our last trade. Okay, so this will be the last trade that I'm placing for today. Again, if you like my videos and you'd like to learn how to trade, go ahead and click on that subscribe button so that when I do more videos such as these ones, you will be the first one to get notified. This might be risky, but I'll just place it as my last trade. Okay, so I've just gone up for the last trade, and I was saying it's risky because prices have already gone above the 70 level, so that means that it is overbought, and chances are we might see a reversal soon. But from my experience, again, it doesn't always reverse immediately. If you look at prices on this level here, you see that it went through the oversold zone and took a while there before it reversed upwards. We have a few seconds left until the close of that candle. 13 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we've just made an extra 1476. That means that we've made a profit of $2,000 on this session. As much as we lost a trade in between, we lost a trade for $400, we ended up making more. So if you look at the date today, we've done 4 trades. This is 9th of July. We've done 4 trades. We've won 3 and lost 1. Each of the trades that we won were high value trades, and we had traded with $1,000 here. We traded with $400 and lost, traded with $930 and traded with $794 for our last trade. Again, the asset that we were trading on was the USD Indian rupee pair, and that is one of the assets that is highly traded in Quotex, and it is also highly profitable. If you don't have an account in Quotex, again, there's a link on the description of this video. Go ahead and click on it to create your account. And for one last trade, I'll do $477. I'll do $477 at the close of the current candle. Notice that we've already seen a crossover here, and as much as prices have already reached the overbought level, it might continue to rise, and we want to take full advantage of the market so that we make as much as we can. I tell you what, instead of trading with that $477 when I'm not sure if the market is going to continue or reverse, why don't we do it again tomorrow? If you've watched this video to the end, thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe, click on that like button, and also comment on this video so that it can be shared to as many people as possible looking for ways to trade in Quotex. Until next time, bye bye. My name is Ken Omolo.